Hi, it's Hannah with WTI here with the most beautiful paper towel holder you will ever find. It is by Tocemei. We have paper towel in our bathroom to dry our hands, and just a paper towel roll does not look very pretty. So this little stand makes such a difference. First, the little bird on the top is so cute. It is just absolutely perfect. And the bird and the whole rod is made of iron. It's black, it's beautiful, and it is extremely durable. Another thing I love is the wood base. It's solid wood. It is really pretty and adds that nice natural touch that I love to add to our house. On the bottom, there's little rubber pads, so this isn't sliding around all over your counter. Stays nice and in place. It comes in two different pieces, and you just screw the top on. It makes putting the paper towel on easy. You just slip it right over the bird. Let me tell you, this little thing makes me smile every time I see it. So if you are looking for a way to display your paper towel in a beautiful way, I highly recommend this little birdie, but that's just my point of view.